Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are doing well. So here we come again with amazing and beautiful crafting ideas. If you love crafting and creating beautiful handmade design, you are in a right place. The channel full of craft ideas and videos, DIY projects, tutorials. So please must visit the channel. So today we are going to make amazing felt fabric craft from colorful flowers to cute mini design you can use for home decoration, gifts or accessories. So grab your scissor glue and a few sheet of felt and let's get started. Before we start, let's talk a little about felt fabric. Felt is a soft, flexible and super easy to cut a shape. That's why it's one of the best material for DIY projects. You can also use leftover and waste fabric. You can find it almost every color imaginable, perfect for flowers, leaf animals, or even wall decoration. The best part, you don't need any fancy tools, just basic supplies and your creativity. Here is what you will need for today craft: a few colorful sheet of felt fabric, sharp scissor, hot glue gun or fabric glue, a pencil of chalk for making ideas, needle and thread, and a few decorative items like buttons, pearls, or glitter. That's a simple material and endless creative possibilities. Let's start our first design: beautiful felt roses. Cut a circle from felt fabric around 4 to 6 inches wide, and second step to now cut the circle into spiral shape just like you are peeing on a range. Starting from the outer edge, slowly roll it inward. When you reach the center, glue the base to hold its place. And then you'll have it a soft rustic felt. You can make different color: red, pink, yellow, even blue for a fancy look. These roses are perfect for hair clips, a gift wrapping decoration. You can also making a different shape of flowers. Next, let's make a cheerful felt sunflower. Cut yellow peels around 12 to 15 pieces, shape like teardrop shape to cut a small brown circle for center. Glue the petal around the brown circle in layer. Add a green felt leaf or two for a natural touch. You can attach this sunflower to headband, make a brooch, or even use it as well art. Now for some room decoration, let's create a felt leaf garland. Cut different leaf shape from green felt. You can also use different shapes to make it look more natural. Attach the leaf to a long ribbon or cozy handmade vibe to any scale. You can also use these all craft for your upcoming Christmas event. It's really look beautiful. Now let's move to some mini felt design, fun, quick, and perfect for beginners. You can also make felt hearts, star, clouds, or even cute animals. Use them fridge magnets, keychains, or notebook decoration. Your kids really will enjoy about this craft. and a little surfing to make them puffy and cute. When you start working with felt, the ideas are endless. You can make wall hanging, hair accessories, brochures, budgets, kids' toys, home decoration item. You can also even felt with beads, lace or ribbon to create more decorate professional design. And that is our today video. We hope you really enjoy and learn about how to craft with different ideas, different projects, different items, different materials. Don't think everything is waste. You can transform into a